As you can see on the title, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $3 plus as in Nigeria or as an outside Nigeria, which $3 is equivalent to almost 5,000 naira daily as in Nigeria or as an outside Nigeria. All you just have to do to earn this money, to earn this 4,000 naira daily as in Nigeria, is just for you to follow me step by step and make sure you didn't miss any part of this video. And all you just have to do on this platform for you to earn this money is for you to be what? To be watching ads on the platform, and you are going to what? Get paid each time you click any ads. So guys, let me show you how the ads look like and how long you can stay on the ads before you can get your reward on the platform. So guys, let's go. Click on the PPC ads over here. You click on the PPC ads and you scroll downward. As you can see, ads are available. Click on the each ad and wait for a new page to fully load. You will be paid per click and a new page will open for each click. We do not verify the authenticity of the advertiser. So guys, all you just have to do on the platform is for you to click this ad right here. Let's click on this ad, and before we click on this ad, let's go and look my previous balance so that you will know whether the my balance is increasing or decreasing. So let's scroll up again and click on this overview over here. You click on the overview. As you can see guys, you scroll downward. As you can see guys, I have $3.12 on the platform. So let's go and click on any ads. Let's see whether it will increase or not. So guys, let's go. You click on the PPC ads and you scroll downward again. As you can see, we have 10 ads here. So all you just have to do is for you to start clicking one after the other. So let's click the first one. Let's click on this one. Let's click on it and make sure that you wait till the okay guys, you can see this is the ads over here and it's fully loaded. So let's go back again. Let's scroll downward again to click the second ad on the platform. Let's wait for it to be fully loaded. Okay, you go back again. Let's scroll downward again to click the next one also. You go back again. So let's go and look our earnings. Let's see whether it has increased or not. So let's click on the overview for we to see our earnings. You click on the overview. You scroll downward again. Guys, as you can see, I clicked 3 ads on the platform and now my bonus has been increased with what? 3 cents on the platform. So guys, that means this website is working. And guys, when you realize your $50 on the platform and when you want to withdraw from this platform, all you just have to do is for you to set your withdrawal form. You click on the settings on this. You click on the settings. Then you click on the settings. You go to bank account. You click on the bank account. You scroll downward. Now edit your bank account details or update your bank account. Now all you just have to do is for you to input your bank name, your country. I'm from Nigeria. Click on it. Your bank city, your bank address, account name, IBAN if you have any, account number, you put it here, branch code, you input it, SWIFT, you input it. So guys, and when you are done with this, you save it and you come back, you scroll upward, you click on this payout icon over here. When you click on the payout icon, you scroll downward again. So you input your payout method. You input, is either you choose PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Western Union, Perfect Money, MoneyGram, and Binance. You click each account you wish for the money to be paid into. So you click on it. So and you input the transfer amount. If you have more than $50 and you decide to withdraw $50, or if you have more than $300, you decide to withdraw $200, so on and so forth. And after that, you scroll downward and click on this what transfer icon, and immediately your money will be transferred to your bank account. So guys, let's see people that are here, people that are making use of this website before us. All you just have to do is for you to click on the top membership, top members on this place. Let's click on the top member icon. You click on the top member icon and you scroll downward again. As you can see, as you can see, Kati earn 450 US dollars on the platform. You can see again, this one earned $270. This one earned $150. This one also earned $85. This one earned $50 on the platform, and this is a Nigerian person. If you are in Nigeria and you're watching this video, you can exploit this and make reasonable amount of money by just clicking ads, and of which it will take no less than 5 to 10 seconds for the page to be fully loaded. So guys, just click on this website and make sure you explore and make reasonable amount of money for yourself. As you can see, this is Maureen, is a Nigerian. He made $50 on the platform. So guys, all you just have to do for you to sign up on this platform, just go to the video description or the first comment on the video, click on the link that is there. They will show you a little form that you will fill and get registered on the platform and start making your money by just clicking ads, which it will take you more than 10 to 15 seconds to load. So guys, let's go. And guys, for you to make more on the platform, all you just have to do is for you to invite friends. You click on this invite, you click on invite, you scroll downward again. As you can see over here, it said invite friends and family. Invite your friends and family to join starclicks.com and get paid when they join or upgrade their account. We will email you when they join. Guys, you can see you can invite your friends and you will earn commission on their head. You can make money on this platform by just inviting friends. So guys, invite your friends, invite your relative to join you in this strategy, in this way, to earn extra income as a Nigeria or outside Nigeria, and you are going to what to be get paid by just inviting a friend to the platform. So guys, let me show you how you can get started on this platform. So let me show you how you can start making money on the platform by just clicking a few buttons for you to get started. Let me show you. So guys, when you click on the link on the video description or on the comment box, they will take you to this little form that you are going to fill for you to get started. So guys, as you can see, there are two account type on this platform. Number one here is publisher account. Sign up for a publisher account to make money. Use this account type to make money online. The second one is an advertiser account. To advertise your website, sign up as an advertiser. You need to have a website for an advertiser account. So guys, we are here to make money on this platform, not to spend money. All you just have to do is for we to sign up as a publisher on the platform. So let's click on this publisher part because we are here to earn. Let's click on the publisher part. Let's sign up and start making money. Let's scroll downward. You can see, please provide your contact details. StarClicks require all users to provide their full name, date of birth as shown on their international ID or passport. This encourages authenticity and may be used as a mechanism to verify your identity. Your name cannot be changed later on. Multiple accounts are not allowed. All you just have to do on the platform is for you to input your first name here. You input your last name. Guys, on in my video, I normally say this. Make sure you input the name you use on your bank so that you won't have any issue while withdrawing from any platform. You input your correct name and your date of birth. You input your date of birth, your correct date of birth, your own postal address. You input your own postal address, and if you don't know, you can ask Google. Your city, you input your city. Where do you live? If you click on this icon here, you choose where you live and select Nigeria over here. Your zip code, you input your zip code. Your phone number, you add your phone number. Your mobile number, same, you add your mobile number. So as you can see, is that please type in your email address and choose a password. You input your email address and you choose a password. You input your password. Please choose a password. Confirm your password. You do this, you do all this, and you scroll down upward. You scroll downward also. As you can see, account security. Never lose your account details. Please choose a security question and answer a security question. Answer to security question. You may be asked for answers to your security question when you contact us. So guys, what this place is just trying to tell you is that they are going to ask you a question of which you will provide the answer. And because when you want to see the question, all you just have to do is for you to click on the icon below. You click on this icon. You can see, what is your mother's maiden name? What is your favorite color? So on and so forth. When you choose any question over here, you will went down this place and type in the answer that you want to impute. So guys, as you can see, if you have a referral ID, enter it right here, and of which the referral code will be displayed on the phone right away. All you just have to do is for you to impute it and get started and start making your money on the platform. So enter the code below. All you just have to do is for you to enter the code below this place, the HU 8W 8DW. You input it down here, and what is start making money online. I confirm I have read the terms, and I and I am at least 18 years old and I do not have any other account with starclicks.com. You are allowed to have only one account. All you just have to do, when you read and agree on the terms and condition, you click on this I confirm icon and you click on register. Then we start making money with this platform. If you find this video interesting, all you just have to do is for you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification icon and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video until the very end. Till we meet again. Until then, bye bye for now. Peace.